And I could not find a job, and finally I was just like, screw it, I'm gonna try and do my own thing. I was doing my own thing anyway, to pay the bills. But for me, it was a complete and total mind shift, what had to happen. Okay, this isn't a hobby anymore. This isn't an in-between job thing anymore. This is a business.
What we had across the street was 48,000 kids that were there learning and getting educated. And from then on, we started hiring students. And it was always, how can I help this person do whatever they're really, really good at?
As freelancers, we're at home on our desk all the time by ourselves. And we got to unite, and every connection we have is going to bring us stronger together, because a lot of people are trying to take advantage of us out there. So that's what we the freelancers is about.
When we talk about sustainability, part of it is the psychological sustainability of it. So how did you deal with that?
Well, I actually took pride in it. I was a little bit different. I remember my father asking me one day, so when are you going to start making real money? And I said, well, my money pays my mortgage. I don't understand. And he was like, well, you don't really make money. I said, Dad, I make 6 figures. He goes, you what? He just didn't get what I did. To me, I think it's that mind shift that you had talked about. It's like you just have to believe, I guess I shouldn't say just because it's not as easy for some as others, is begin to work on that mindset. It's like, wait a minute, I get to be a freelancer.